This is the example related to the joint density function. Whenever I come across with the word joint density function, means somewhere it is associated with continuous random variable. So x and y are the two random variables having joint density function f of xy, where it is e to the power minus of x plus y, x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0, 0 otherwise. How is the function defined? Function is defined as e to the power minus of x plus y, which can also be written as e to the power minus x into e to the power minus y. At times जब इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y करना है तो x कांस्टेंट रहेगा. At times जब इंटीग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x करना है तो y कांस्टेंट रहेगा. So I should know that e to the power minus of x plus y is splitted as e to the power minus x into e to the power minus y. X is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. So this gives me the hint that the random variable is a continuous random variable. Integral ke limits will be minus infinity to infinity, but our function is defined for greater than equal to 0. Means 0 to infinity will be the range of integration. क्या क्या निकालना है? var x, var y, sigma x, sigma y, covariance of xy and rho, that is coefficient of correlation. Expectation इन्होंने नहीं पूछा है, but we know that by variance of x formula it will be expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Somewhere we have calculated the variance by using the theorem, which is giving you the, instead of definition I am using the result. What is that result? Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Now what two quantities I will be requiring here? I will be requiring expectation of x square and expectation of x. तो पहले मैंने expectation of x square निकाला, integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of xy dx dy. But as I said, both the range will be for 0 to infinity. So x is equal to 0 to infinity, y is equal to 0 to infinity, x square into e to the power minus of x plus y dx dy. Now whenever I will be, first दोनों लिमिट जो है वो कांस्टेंट लिमिट्स है. Either you first integrate with respect to x or you integrate with respect to y. It will be one and the same thing. So initially I try to integrate with respect to y. So x square into e to the power minus x will be constant. Integration of e to the power minus y between the limit 0 to infinity. Right? What is e to the power minus infinity? 0. What is e to the power 0? 1. So automatically what I am getting the answer as 1. So 1 multiplied by this term will be only x square into e to the power minus x. So आखिरी में मुझे क्या बचा है? x square into e to the power minus x. That integration with respect to x between the limit 0 to 2 is giving you answer as 2. Another way you can remember the result. Integral 0 to infinity x to the power n into e to the power minus x is simply n. Otherwise you do the integration by parts. First function as it is into integration of second, that is e to the power minus x upon minus 1 minus derivative of the second into integration of the first, and so on. Accordingly you put the limits of integration and get the answer. This is the direct result which will give you the answer as 2. Similarly I calculate expectation of x. That expectation of x is giving you answer as 1. So अभी मैंने expectation of x square भी निकाल लिया and expectation of x भी निकाल लिया. Put this into the variance. So var x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. 2 minus 1 square, that is giving you 1. So what is sigma x square? Sigma x square is 1. Similarly, var y will be expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. In this case, expectation of आपको क्या निकालना है? Y square. So e to the power minus x will be constant. It will be y square into e to the power minus y. So remaining term integration of this will be simply 2 as per the earlier result. बिकॉज इसका आंसर अपन ने देखा है, पहले इंटीग्रेट करेंगे इंफिनिटी एंड जीरो लिमिट पुट करते तो 1 आएगा. सो अल्टीमेटली आई एम लेफ्ट विथ आंसर एज 2. Similarly, expectation of y का calculation will give you answer as 1. In this case, the result what we are trying to use, integral 0 to infinity x to the power minus n e to the power minus x is equal to n. Y to the power n into e to the power minus y is also n. So it will be 1. Provided limits are 0 to infinity. The result is applicable only the limits are 0 to infinity. So आपका वेरिएंस कैसे निकलेगा? सिग्मा y square will be 2 minus 1 square, that is 1. What is sigma x? Positive square root of sigma x square, 1. What is sigma y? Positive square root, that is 1. Now expectation of xy. Why it is needed? Because I have to calculate covariance of xy. What is covariance of xy? Expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. मैंने expectation of x निकाल लिया है, expectation of y भी निकाल लिया है for the purpose of calculation of variance. Only the thing to be calculated is expectation of xy. जिस किसी का भी एक्सपेक्टेशन लेना है, दैट इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड इंटीग्रेट बिटवीन द लिमिट्स माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी, माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी. बट अवर दिस फंक्शन इज e to the power minus of x plus y for 0 to infinity and 0 to infinity. So we will be integrating it accordingly and getting down the answer. Now, while integrating first with respect to x, this y and e to the power minus y will be constant. And what I am left with, integral 0 to infinity x into e to the power minus x dx. अभी अपन ने देखा इसका आंसर कितना आता है? 1. अभी 1 multiplied by this will be only integration with respect to this, and again that answer will also be 1. So 1 minus 1 is giving you 0. So coefficient of correlation rho is sigma xy upon sigma x into sigma y, and that ratio comes out to be 0. 0 upon any number is 0. In this case, I say that x and y are uncorrelated. There is no correlation. The value of rho is always between minus 1 to 1. So rho I have got it as 0, and I conclude that x and y are uncorrelated, means there is no relationship. Expectation of xy समझ में आया ना? जिस किसी भी टर्म का एक्सपेक्टेशन लेना है, दैट इज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी फंक्शन एंड इंटीग्रेशन. अभी जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी फंक्शन इज e to the power minus of x plus y. Whenever in the integration both the pair of limits are constant, any one of the integration with respect to x or y is permitted. So मैं पहले y को constant रखता हूँ, x का integration लेंगे. From the result it is giving you answer as 1. Again the remaining integrand is integrated, that answer is also 1. So covariance comes out to be 0, and accordingly we try to find out the answer. So this was one of the example wherein we calculated all the quantities. Similar example related to the continuous random variable. X and y is a random variable having joint density function. How is the function defined? 3 by 5 x into x plus y. X is valid for range 0 to 1. Y is valid for range 0 to 2. What is calculated to be calculated? Expectation of x, expectation of y, var x and var y. Expectation of x means x multiplied by f of xy. X multiplied by the function. Function is valid for x between 0 to 1, y between 0 to 2. So the 3 by 5 outside, this is the remaining simplification. First you integrate with respect to y. So x cube constant, integration of dy is y. X square constant, integration of y is y square by 2. Put to the limit 0 to 2. कुछ term आएगा. Remaining term should be integrated with respect to x. Put the limit 0 to 1. You get the answer as 7 by 10. Similarly, expectation of y, y multiplied by the given function, integration for x will be 0 to 1, integration of y will be 0 to 2. Integrate first with respect to y, then with respect to x. you get the answer as 6 by 5. Where x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. I have calculated only expectation of x, तो expectation of x square निकालो. Expectation of x square कैसे आएगा? X square multiplied by the function valid for the range 0 to 1 and 0 to 2. Simplify, integrate first with respect to y, remaining quantity will be integrated with respect to x, put the limit of x, you get the answer. Expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square will give you variance of x. Variance of y कैसे होगा? Expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. This quantity is available. How to calculate expectation of y square? इंटीग्रल y स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय फंक्शन 3/5 कांस्टेंट को बाहर x y स्क्वायर से ब्रैकेट ओपन करो तो बचेगा x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर प्लस x y क्यूब. x is integrated between 0 to 1, y is integrated between 0 to 2. First you integrate with respect to y, x square into y cube by 3, x into y to the power 4 by 4, put the limit. All the terms will be in the form of x. Integrate the remaining quantities with respect to x, put the limit 0 to 1. आपका आंसर आएगा 26 by 15. Accordingly put the values. Expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. आपको मिलेगा var y. So what is var y coming out as? Var y is coming out as 22 by 75. So in this particular example, they have asked us expectation of x, expectation of y, variance of x, variance of y. I have used the result where x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. इसीलिए मुझे ये क्वांटिटी एडिशनल निकालना पड़ा, expectation of x square and additional quantity expectation of y square. And from that, I tried to calculate the value for variance of x and variance of y. So this was one of the example related to the joint distribution wherein I calculate the value for expectation of x, expectation of y, variance of x and variance of y. Find mean, variance and moment generating function for the distribution f of x is equal to 1 upon b minus a less than x less than b. अगर आप देखोगे this is the example of only single random variable. This already I think we have covered. How is mean calculated as mu, expectation of x multiplied by the function. What is function? 1 upon b minus a. What is the range of the variable? A to b. Calculate between a to b. Integration of x is x square by 2. So do not get confused. This is for the single variable x. इसके पहले के जो भी एग्जांपल्स किए थे those were for the random variable joint case x as well as y. So b square minus a square is written as b minus a b plus a. b minus a cancel, आंसर बचता है b plus a by 2. Similarly variance के लिए expectation of x square निकाला, b cube minus a cube अपन ने सिंप्लीफाई किया, b minus a b square plus ab plus a square. So accordingly we try to simplify and get the answer. So this was one of the example wherein you have the